I'm going to show you how my fixed CNC rim is. Currently you see the damaged rim, which I will give to the tire repair shop to fix the rim by CNC it away. So scrape some aluminium away and hopefully we don't see the damage anymore. And I'm also really interested into it. So it is what it is, and let's see how the finish. Well, I got my rims back, and are you interested how it looks? Well, I am, so here, have a look. Wait a second. They milled, they CNC'd way more. I got spokes. I didn't have that. Oh my god. I got even upgraded. I am driving an Audi right now. Sweet. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh my god. I got 4 new rims. 4 new rims. And look how they look. It looks not like ID.4. Nothing. I want my old rims back. So let's try this one more time. Ta-da! It's not visible anymore. It's exactly this part. This part was really fucked. How do I know? Because if you follow the line, you see still my little scratches from Ljubljana city. And this was Bled in Slovenia. What did they do is CNC it. Actually, what does CNC mean is they put a laser in it and then just scrape millimeters away from your alloy wheels. They started on my rims on this point. Right here, you will see the lines. It's a little difficult, but they started here and then scraped away till you didn't see the scratches anymore. And if you don't know that this rim was damaged really bad, you wouldn't know, really. If you look from all the sides, especially if you're like a half meter away, you don't see it, nothing. And yes, you're gonna say it happened on that side, right? True, they swapped the rims, so be it. But to back, do you see it if you're really close up? Maybe not with this camera, but I will show you a picture where you see some lines on it. And what they did is just scrape it away, make it thinner, till you don't see the scratches anymore. And what happens is this side right here is much thinner than if I look on this side. This feels so much deeper. Maybe from the upside you see it. Also still pretty hard. So in the end, this looks awesome. It looks brand new, but this cost me 270 euros to fix it. Yes, it could have been cheaper, but I managed to make a deal to fix this, get a loaner set, and at the same time I bought new tires. I swapped my Bridgestone Eco Turanzas to Pirelli Scorpion LX. And they are amazing. But we will talk about new tires in another video because it needs another video. So back to this subject. Rim repair, it's fixed, it looks awesome. And I don't see it, it's fixed. This was the mystery about the blurred wheels. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you see the effect of CNC repair of a really badly damaged rim scraped to the curb. It still hurts, you know, when I felt that. When I felt that curb, it was bad. But hey, it's fixed. Cost a bit more money, but it's fixed. I'm happy with it. And we go on with our lives. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Later.